My name's Justin. I come down here just for the BRR course. I'm trying to do social housing, emergency accommodation, but I come here just to expand my knowledge, basically.
And how have you found the week?
Bro, it's actually too much information, to be honest, to process. Samuel is a bit like crazy, to be honest. He's just full of energy non-stop. Unreal.
Inspiring or?
Yeah, on top of that, it's just everyone, bro. Like, it's not just him. Inspiration comes from everyone in the academy as well.
If you don't mind me asking, how old are you? And
I'm 21 years old.
21. And,
Yeah.
does that excite you that you're 21 and you've found this kind of environment and you can make money in property at a young age?
Yeah, for sure. It's good to get around people that are further ahead and knowing that I still have a lot of time, which, a lot of people keep saying, you're so young. I wish I would have joined then. But then I'm looking at other guys on the academy. You heard of other guys like Kane, smashing it, guys like that. So I aspire to be like that as well.
So would you recommend something like this to someone who's looking to find that kind of property environment?
Yeah, for sure. I found Samuel by just searching because I tried other ways of making money. I searched him up by searching who's the best in the game. So anyone who's looking to get a property, this is the number one place, really.